Everyone talks about working harder to get rich. But what if I told you that working smarter could grow your money even faster? These 5 surprising strategies aren't what you'd expect, but they can completely change your future if you start today. Most people think getting rich is about grinding harder and sacrificing everything. But today, I'm going to show you smarter, simpler moves. You can start even if you're starting from zero. And trust me, the sooner you start, the faster it compounds. Stick around because number 5 could literally change your life with just a few minutes a day. Tip number 1. Cashback investing apps. Apps like Acorns or Rakuten. Turn your everyday spending into investments. Imagine this. You grab a coffee, buy some groceries, shop online, and every time a little piece of that money gets invested for you. You don't even notice it happening. But over time, it stacks up. It's one of the easiest ways to start investing without changing your lifestyle. Tip number 2. Create a skills-based side hustle. Take something you're already good at, like writing, photography, cooking, fitness, and turn it into a small service. You don't need a business license or a big following to start. You just need to offer value to even a few people. One extra client a week could bring in an extra $200 to $500 a month, and that's money you can save or invest to grow faster. Starting small is still starting strong. Tip number 3. Invest in index funds. Instead of trying to pick the next big stock, just invest in index funds like the S&P 500. They've historically returned about 7 to 10% per year, and it's hands-off. You don't need to be a financial expert. You don't need to stress about daily stock prices. You just set it, forget it, and let time and compound interest work their magic. Tip number 4. Rent out what you already own. Have an extra room? Put it on Airbnb. Have a car you don't use every day. List it on Turo. Have camera gear or tools sitting in your garage. Rent them out locally. You don't need to buy anything new. You just need to see your stuff differently. This is a passive income at its simplest. Tip number 5. Learn a micro skill and monetize it. A micro skill is something you can learn in a weekend, like basic video editing, Canva graphic design, or social media management. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram are full of people making real money offering simple services. You don't need a degree, you just need a skill people will pay for. Even $50 to $500 per project can add up fast. Building wealth isn't about one giant move, it's about small, smart actions repeated over time. Which of these 5 wealth hacks are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear it. And if you're serious about growing your money faster, hit like, subscribe, and let's build wealth together.